Are you looking for the best Tenkeyless mechanical keyboard? Look no further. Our experts have tested and reviewed the top models on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a gamer, a writer, or just need a keyboard that's easy to take on the go, let's get started with the list. List number 1, SteelSeries Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Apex Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard from SteelSeries is a prime example of quality, durability, and performance. Designed with comfort and style in mind, this keyboard lays atop the head with the highest quality switches for an outstanding gaming experience. As an added bonus, it can also be customized to be a macro keyboard to quickly turn cumbersome commands into simple ones. The Apex Pro combines class-leading performance and build quality. This gaming keyboard is built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy casing that's incredibly durable and stable. It features our exclusive omni-point adjustable switches to help you customize the actuation distance. It has an OLED smart display that not only allows you to see your current setup or customizable options while playing games, but also lets you adjust settings when playing other applications like Spotify, Discord, or other games right from your keyboard with a simple press of a key. List number 2, Typewriter Style Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a fully featured mechanical gaming keyboard that was built for the gamers by gamers. The Royal KLUDGE features an authentic style vintage round keycaps and blue mechanical switches, along with full RGB illumination, anti-ghosting technology, in-game software profiles, and more. Royal KLUDGE is the ultimate gaming keyboard, featuring a mechanical blue switch for ultimate gaming performance. This RGB illuminated keyboard has up to 168 LED backlit modes and 7 color sidelight. You can also adjust the backlit brightness and speed, and you can create one customized backlight as you like. The mechanical keys offer medium resistance and audible click sound, while the tactile feedback gives you a firm feel when typing. Every keystroke is registered during intense gameplay and fast typing, no matter how many other keys are pressed at the same time. Let you enjoy high-grade games with fast response. Vintage steampunk round keycaps provide the comfort you need so you can focus on your game. List number 3, Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is colorful, adjustable backlighting, and a durable braided cable. This gaming keyboard is an easy way to upgrade your computer's aesthetics. It features some useful functions that are found in high-end keyboards such as N-Crow rollover, key press toggling with PS2 connection, Windows and menu key disablement, LED backlit brightness control, and shortcut keys for instant media controller access. For the mechanically inclined, Redragon K552 comes equipped with Red. Be the top of your game with Redragon K552 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a compact keyboard at an incredibly affordably priced for all types of gamers. Enjoy 6 different brightness levels, 19 different performance and event management modes, plus beautiful military-style keycaps to fit you perfect gaming equipment. Made from industrial-grade ABS plastic, this ergonomic backlit keyboard is just what you need for your PC or laptop to provide you incredible comfort in playing games for hours on computer. List number 4, NPET K10 Gaming Keyboard USB Wired Floating Keyboard. The NPET K10 Gaming Keyboard is a 21-key gaming keyboard that can transform from an office keyboard to a gamepad at the flick of a switch. It comes with unique keycaps and will offer you great gaming experience. The gaming mode design can be acted as 2 separate keyboards, left layout and right layout, while connected with USB 2.0 cable, so that you get 18 non-conflict keys and 3 independent working modes. NPET K10 keyboard is designed with ergonomic ideas, cooperative and delicate appearance. The open matrix design make everyone can be a professional game player. Double precision mechanical spring system make switches more accurate, feedback more curve, and touch more light. You can play games for 24 hours without feeling any pressure or pain on your fingers. Fine texture with sanding sensation keycaps protect your finger from slipping. UV-coated keycaps effectively reducing the damage caused by ultraviolet radiation exposure. The K10 keyboard features floating keycaps designed for Spectrum version. The silver key top. The laser carving letter 1 fade. The handle is with double shot injection of ABS material. Impressive texture adding to the tactile feedback experience. List number 5, Havit Mechanical Keyboard. Havit Premium Gaming Keyboard is great for gamers and office workers alike. The computer keyboard is a solid-built keyboard with floating keys design, individual key switch, and elegant laser engraving pattern design. The gaming mouse has many of the cool features put into the keyboard found on this page. This is a new generation of low profile. No need to push it down each time when using it. Havit delivers this super simple mechanical gaming keyboard, which allows you to select a dazzling RGB backlight mode using the FN button, or disable the key feature entirely with one touch. Convenient media keys and red wasp keys make long playing sessions even more comfortable. Mechanical keyboards are generally used by gamers because of their ability to handle higher actions per minute (APM) than normal keyboards. It is a gaming keyboard and mouse combo that delivers optimal control in challenging conditions. Its strong metal body makes it extremely durable for constant use and provides high-edge precision for a flow of game commands.